In today's video, I show you how to create a sub-account in Twilio so you can organize different clients or projects under one main account. And while you're here, make sure to subscribe for more quick Twilio tutorials. Start by logging into your Twilio Console using your web browser. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your account tools live. Look on the left side of the screen and go to the section called Admin. From there, open the account management area and select sub-accounts. This is where you can view and control every sub-account connected to your main profile. Now click on the option that says Create New Sub-Account. A small form will appear asking for a friendly name. This is simply a label that helps you recognize the sub-account later. For example, if it's for a specific client, you might name it Client A Messaging or Marketing Project. Once you've typed your name, hit the Create button. Twilio will instantly set up your new sub-account and you'll see it appear in your list. You can switch between accounts anytime using the account selector at the top of the console. Sub-accounts work independently but stay under your main account for easy billing and better organization, especially when handling multiple teams or services. And that's it. You've successfully created a Twilio sub-account in just a few clicks. If this was helpful, drop a like and check out our other Twilio guides to keep leveling up your skills.